Fuel preparation trials. Procedure to conduct fuel preparation trials. Procedure to conduct fuel preparation trials. Preparation. Preparation is fuel required to work a nominated train from its starting station to the destination. Why fuel preparation trials are conducted? To fix up preparation based on which performance of locomotive and the crew can be monitored, to have control over the fuel consumption, to avoid malpractice and pilferage, to assess the quality of fuel required for procurement. When fuel preparation trials are conducted, when working pattern of the crew changes, change in load, change in speed, change in type of loco, change in topography, change in signaling system, change in PSR, induction bar extension of trains. How to conduct fuel preparation trials? To the loco and the crew selected for the trial should be representative of conditions of actual working. Before conducting the trials, should ensure no leakage on fuel system of the locomotive. The preparation trials are to be conducted service wise, section wise. A running engine is reasonably to be in good fettle. The consumption of fuel during each trip should be measured by fuel oil tank, glow rod gauge, reading of flow meter reading. During trial, notch number, load meter reading, speed are to be recorded at regular intervals. Weather conditions, period of power applying, idling or stopping etc. are noted. Detail of traffic detentions due to observing speed restrictions, shunting, shunting performed etc. are to be noted during trials. The consumption of fuel oil on the above accounts has to be seized properly as per the yardstick. Allowances for fuel consumption for various detentions are idling per 1 hour 25 liters, that is for WDM2, WDM2C, WDG2 locos. Out of course stop 12 liters, stop at signals 12 liters, loop line pass through 12 liters, loop line stop and start 12 liters, PSR 20 kmph and less 12 liters, shunting for each movement 20 liters, ICC pulled 12 liters. To arrive trip ration for a particular service on a particular section, the consumption of fuel due to traffic detention, detention due to speed restriction, shunting performed etc. are properly assessed and subtracted from actual consumption of fuel. The case of mail, express and passenger trains The load trials during the trial is the same as the normal load. In case of goods and mixed train loads, selected for trial should be in 3 different slabs, each slab uh, representing 100%, 80% and 60% of maximum authorized load limits on the section. A maximum of 3 sets of trials should be arranged in case of mail express and passenger trains. Similarly, in respect of goods trains, also 2 sets of trials should be arranged in respect of each of the slab. In regard to shunting services, 2 trials should be carried in respect of each shifts and yard for the class of engine used, target consumption of fuel fixed. While submitting the proposal for a trip ration, the following particulars to be shown for each trial and an average of 3 trials to be calculated. Number 1, serial number, date, train number, loco number and base, from, to, distance, load means formation plus engine weight, GTKM is equal to load into distance. 1000 GTKMs means load into distance is 1000. Total fuel consumption, total allowances, net consumption is equal to total fuel consumption minus total allowances. The formula for SFC in liters, net consumption by GTKMs. EKM, net consumption bar distance. Booked ORT, booked stops, remarks. While fixing targets, preparation for different loads for every 1 GTKM, difference 2 liters of fuel oil is added bar deducted. If the recommended fuel trip should not mention SFC, the reason for each maintaining SFC should be given clearly. Thank you.